Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to start knotless braids for beginners. Firstly, the ideal length is from 3 to 4 centimeters is the easiest for beginners. Knotless braids need more strength than traditional box braids because you begin braiding your natural hair. Use a moisturizing shampoo or conditioner combo or wash and condition separately. Detangle while conditioning and use your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Detangle from tips to roots. Use a detangling spray if needed and blow dry straight for easier braiding, especially if your natural texture is coarse. Use Kanekalon hair that matches your texture. Separate it into sections based on desired braid thickness and subdivide each braid section into 3 to 4 smaller feet in pieces. Now divide into 4 equal parts, vertical part and horizontal part. Clip each section to keep them separate. Now choose your pairing style like box shaped or triangle shaped. Pre-part hair and secure with mini elastics, and that's it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.